107. Second lesson, nutrition in animal. Animal nutrition included mode of take food and utilization in body. We can use different types of food to take food, for example, fruit, grain and liquid. So, animal nutrition include mode of take food and utilization in body is a different digestion in human body. The first buccal of cavity and then food is fast. Food pipe and stomach and small intestine and large intestine. So we can use different types of food, take different types food in every animal depend on food, and animal take from plant different way taking food. For example, bees and hummingbirds. For example, bees and hummingbird. For example, hummingbird, second child. Hummingbird and child. Hummingbird take food on flower and child take food on his mother oblique her mother. So digestion in human, which types digestion in human? The first is buccal of cavity. Buccal of cavity, first we can take different types of food in buccal, and we can use teeth. So different types of teeth in buccal for cavity, cutting, piercing, chewing and grind. For example, we are eating apple. So apple is cutting for teeth, load juice and 4 and upper juice in 4. Total 4 and 4 is 8. Second, we can use, for example, we can take food sugar cane. So sugar cane is peared, upper jaw and lower jaw. So upper jaw in 2 types, take and 2 types. So equal 2 plus 2 in 4. Then we can take food chewing gum. So lower in 4, upper in 4, total 8. We can take food in buccal, and buccal is grinding in all food. So grinding in all food, which types of teeth are grinding? So low in 6 and upper in 6, total 12. So humans buccal cavity in total 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12. 32 teeth in buccal. Total teeth are 32. The first topic, buccal in cavity. Buccal in cavity is depend on teeth, and human body teeth are 32. Different type are teeth in buccal. First, cutting, piercing, chewing and grinding. For example, we can eat an apple. So apple is cutting lower jaw in 4 teeth and upper jaw in 4 teeth. Then total 8. And We are eating sugar cane. So sugar cane are piercing lower two into and upper into total 4. Now weekend food, normal food. So in chewing is 4 plus 4, 8. So buccal cavity in 32 teeth in human body. So next, food pipe. We can take different types of food in buccal and then passes food are food pipe. Food pipe are in human body pass in chest in body.